Hi, my name is Isabelle. I'm currently studying the Honors Bachelor of Business Administration at University of Niagara Falls, Canada. I chose this program because I've always been interested in business, leadership, and entrepreneurship. I decided to study at UNF because of its innovative learning approach and strong focus on career-ready skills. The small class sizes also allows for more personalized support from instructors and meaningful connections with classmates. What I enjoy most about the HBBA program is how interactive and engaging the classes are. We work on group projects, case studies, presentations, and discussions that connect businesses concepts to real-world situations. One project that stood out to me was developing a full marketing strategy using the 7 Ps framework. My team created a realistic campaign and presented it as if we were pitching to a real company. It showed me how research, creativity, and strategy come together in business. Through this program, I've developed critical thinking, teamwork, communication, and presentation skills, which will help me pursue my goal of running my own business one day. If you're thinking about applying to the HBBA program at UNF, I would say it's a great choice if you want practical learning in a supportive environment that prepares you for today's business world. My name is Isabelle, and innovation flows here.